Hello, welcome to the Magic Pencil. I'm Union, this is
Andrew.
And today we're going to be drawing how to draw a necklace. Should we get started?
Yes, please.
Take a black...
A black pen?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get a black pen. Okay.
First,
What do I need to do?
and try to make it wavy as you can.
Okay, kind of like a wavy circle. Yeah. Okay.
Doesn't have to be straight.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay.
To open it, you want to maybe do a little hook.
Oh, okay, like a hook, like that. Yeah.
And do a little thing.
Oh, okay, and a little circle there. Is that the clasp?
And then one little dot in there.
Okay, and then a dot in the middle. Okay. And what do I need to do?
For the beads, you can do these pearls.
Okay, like a loop. Can I do one here?
First you do that.
Like that.
Yep.
Yeah?
Then you do the same thing, copying outside.
Oh, okay. Like following it around. Okay, so something. Is that right? Okay.
Now you do these lines everywhere,
Oh, I see. Yeah, that makes it stand out. I see, like that. That's a really good technique. Yeah, I like that.
Then,
okay, so what's the next thing?
If you want it to be like a pattern, you can do another pearl.
Okay, so I'm going to do another pearl like that.
Then you do the same thing.
Oh, and then I'll do another one of those. Okay. So.
Yeah, this side basically has that.
And is that what we're going to do? We're going to do one, then the other, then the other. Yeah, is that right?
Then
okay.
there's a heart.
Like that.
The heart. Then you repeat it.
Like that.
Repeat it, and then you do a pearl.
Okay, and then another pearl.
And the same thing.
Okay.
Necklace. But here there's going to be something nice.
Is there? I think it looks pretty nice already. Okay.
And you do another pearl.
Another pearl. And then what do we do next?
Same thing.
Okay. You're a really good teacher, you know.
And when we get to the middle, you stop. Pearl.
Okay.
And you do one more.
One more pearl here.
But the middle.
Yeah.
What do you want to do in the middle?
Okay, I don't mind. Whatever you think looks cool. I think it should be something big.
Yeah, I know. Do 3 of these little,
Okay.
3 smaller than the pearl.
3, yeah.
Now you do these chains on all of them. 3 chains on each one.
Okay, can I see? Oh, I see. Okay, so you're doing smaller circles underneath. Like that. And then another set. Like that. And then you're doing a smaller circle inside. That's a really good way of drawing chains. I like that. I would never have thought of doing it like that. So those are the links. Oh, I've got to do another one.
You did a mistake.
What did I do?
They're not meant to do on the top.
Oh. What if I do them on the top there?
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll do them like that. Sorry. Okay.
And then you can do these crystals, but they're not the heart.
Okay, so there's some crystals hanging off, and what are the crystals?
So, like that.
Oh, so they're like Superman shields.
But when you get to the middle there, you can do a swirl. Then swirl and then do the bumps.
Oh, I did it wrong. Okay, so you've got a swirly one in there I couldn't see. Right, I'll do this, and then can I do my swirly bit at the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Actually, a good idea.
Yeah? Thank you. Alright, so those are the gems. Right.
But you're anyway meant to do the swirly bit also at the bottom.
Right, where's the swirly?
But only connecting from the diamonds, you're meant to do it all.
Oh, I see. So hold on. So you do like a heart and then a...
No, it's not the heart, it's just the crystal.
Okay, so no, the swirl. I'm trying to look at how you do the heart swirl. So you
like
kind of do
this.
like a heart shape and then you do...
No, you don't do a heart shape.
Like that.
No, you do like that and then you go like that. And on those, you do like that.
Oh, okay. Let me see. So I kind of go like a wiggle, and then I kind of do little lumps on the side.
Yeah.
Like that. Okay.
And then on the last one,
Oh.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
But on the last one, you can do whatever you want.
Okay, phew. I thought I'd nearly made a mistake then. And then lumps like that. Okay. This is looking really good. This looks like an amazing necklace. This might be the best one so far we've done.
Done.
Oh, I like that. So you've got another little gem on the bottom.
No, like whatever you want on the bottom.
Okay, I'm looking at I'm going to copy what you did, so it's kind of like that. Okay. Alright, so we've done that and that. So we're carrying on that pattern.
Pearl,
Yeah. Pearl.
and then you turn it to that side.
And then we're doing the heart
Heart.
again. Okay. So like that. Like that.
Then you do a pearl again when you're done. Pearl again, then do a heart. Then one more heart. Yep, done.
Okay, hold on, I need to catch up. I've never drawn a necklace before, so I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay, so I've done that, and then I've got to do another pearl there, and then do I need to do another heart?
No.
No?
Let me see. Yeah, I think
You think I should put another one in? Okay. So, like this, like that.
And if you want to make the line of the necklace a bit thicker,
Mm-hmm.
you could just do a bit of a thinner line like that.
Okay, let's see.
Close.
Oh yeah, that's really good. Okay, I'm going
make
to
it a
copy
bit
that idea, yeah. So
Finish so you can actually realise it, and then you colour it in. Then after you can colour it in. And there's something about the pearls what is actually a nice thing to do.
yeah.
But you can colour it whatever you want.
Yeah, but tell me, what's the nice thing to do for the
So
pearls?
for the reflection,
Yeah?
you can do like one of these and then like a little circle.
Oh, to make them shiny. Okay, so
you
do
can
like
colour
a
them
circle
in
there, and then a circle there.
A long like a long stretched out circle.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah. Now you can colour it in after
Okay.
that. Wow, what an amazing drawing, Andrew.
Thank you.
We will be announcing a competition until September. This book, How to Teach You Draw Realistic Animals.
And how do you enter the competition?
You have to subscribe and send us one picture or a bunch of mail and go to our Facebook page, which is Magic Pencil Art for Kids.
Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed that tutorial as much as I did. Goodbye. And we'll see you soon.